In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Brevo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing your contacts for an upcoming campaign or simply looking to manage your data more efficiently, creating a list in Brevo is a straightforward process that I'm here to guide you through. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Brevo's website. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Brevo offers. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice the option to log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials. If not, you might want to pause this tutorial here, quickly set up an account, and then join us back here to continue. Now, once you're logged in, look towards the main menu and find the Contacts section. Clicking on Contacts will reveal several options, and what we're interested in today is the Lists option. Once you're in the Lists section of your Brevo account, things start to get exciting because this is where you can begin creating your contact lists. Spot and click the Create a List button. This is the moment where you let your organizational skills shine. A pop-up or new screen will appear, prompting you to provide a name for your list. It's a good practice to use descriptive names that can easily remind you of the purpose of the list, such as Spring Campaign 2023 or Newsletter Subscribers. This will make it easier for you in the future when you're managing multiple lists. After you've named your list, you'll need to choose where it should reside. Brevo gives you the option to choose an existing folder to help keep things tidy. If you're starting fresh or need a separate folder for this list, you can create a new one right here. Remember, organizing your lists into folders doesn't just make your interface cleaner. It also means you'll save time in the long run when searching for specific lists. Finally, review the details you've entered to ensure everything is correct. If all looks good, click Create List. With that click, you've successfully created a new contact list in Brevo. Now, you're set up and ready to start adding contacts or integrating this list into your marketing efforts. And there you have it. You've created a list in Brevo. This quick, hassle-free process is at the heart of maintaining an effective marketing strategy, helping you reach the right people at the right time. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our videos or leave a comment below.